Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Facebook Lite. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your